Hello everyone. In this session, I will discuss about printed circuit board advantages. So let's start with this slide. So in my last session, I will discuss what is PCB and how the PCB layer. Okay. In this, what is the advantages of PCB? So here, the advantages. First one is inexpensive and cheaper. So here you see in your daily life all things connected to electronics. So all people are connected to electronic things. So that is the available in market and inexpensive. Its cost is very low. So and next one is high volume production. So you see here PCB production companies are PCB, okay, Genius Electrotech, Ascent Circuits, Circuit Systems India Limited. So this is the example of who are make this PCB. Okay. So this company, and I am not telling many other companies are there in India. So they are making PCB. So fast production of PCB in nowadays, high volume production. Automated soldering is possible. Here, if you want to in this company, you see here, Genius Electrotech, Ascent Circuits, Circuit Systems, India Limited, and another company is called topmost company. One company is Intel, okay, and Taiwan Semiconductor, okay. They are make PCB not in manual, okay. They make PCB in automated soldering or robotic system soldering. So the soldering is automatic, possible, highly reliable. So PCB is highly reliable, okay, available in market, okay. Hold the component PCB. It holds components in electronic components, okay. So they are easily held, okay. That is no problem. Here is the advantages of this PCB. I will tell you in India, okay, right now many companies are here for this PCB making, okay. The topmost company in India is Circuit Systems India Limited or PCB Power, okay. So they are good for this PCB soldering and PCB making, okay. You desire all discuss about later how make your PCB, and after this software tool will design this PCB and how to make this PCB by this company or your manually in hand. Okay. In the next slide, this is the PCB making right now is very not simply. Okay. So anyone makes PCB if you have a knowledge in PCB and about the component, electronic component. thickness of copper. This is the very much important in this PPT you see here. Okay. So copper is connected. That is the important thing in PCB. Okay. So this is the connection of signal. Okay. This is conductive material used. Okay. For example, is the copper. Okay. So 8 nanometer, what will be 8 nanometer, sorry, 8 millimeter, 8 millimeter is used in or, so you see here, like, left side, is here a mobile picture, okay. In mobile picture, this is the thin mobile, okay. You see here, this is the thickness of this mobile is very low. So, guess how much, so there may be all of how much in its model. So its thickness of copper is how much small. Okay, copper thickness how much small? That is 0.8 millimeter. Okay. And then next, that is 1.6 millimeter. This thickness is used for this copper signal or in the PCB signal tracer. These values are used for this commercial production of PCB. For example, that is a computer. Okay, computer model. Okay, and some industrial model or some server. Okay, server motherboard. These are made in this 1.6 millimeter. In this the copper signal. The signal is line at 1.6 millimeter. And the last one here, you see here this picture. This is a picture of a semiconductor component. Okay. So how much small? That is some example of MOSFET or power electronics component. Okay, thyristor. Okay. So in internal connection, you see here main driver, output, okay, ground, okay, on chip, capacitor. You see here they are connected to each other by this the copper thickness. Okay, copper thickness in this power electronic devices are 3.2 millimeter. Okay, this is the internal connection of this PCB. This power electronic device. You see here, that is the copper. Okay, that is the copper. Okay. So this is the thickness of this copper wire. This is the very important in this that is copper thickness is varied. Okay, by the how in your which application is used your PCB. Okay, that is for mobile. Okay, how much small or thin. Okay, so if you see here, if you downwards the PCB board size and thickness, the copper thickness is proportional to thickness. Okay, that is a 0.8 millimeter, and you see here 1.6 millimeter, 3.2 millimeter. You see here. So thank you. In my next session, I will discuss about PCB layering connection. Okay. Thank you.